Front away you bounce, bounce. Every gal away you bend. How when you bend away you slap it. If it was
yes, my wonderful people, I'm here again, the great countryman. Now look at the screen in front of now. I want to talk about the youth here, Rebel 6. But beyond Rebel 6, I want to talk about this girl right here so. And who know who this girl is? Never talk about it. Let's go. My wonderful friends, it's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, Trini man, big up yourself. John man, big up yourself. The people them like the video, but you have to slow down the speech. Slow down the speech. Yo, country girl, big up yourself, you understand? And the whole of Trinidad, Jamaica, Barbados, wanna big up on yourself. Now, look at the screen in front of you. Look at that young lady. That's Rebel girlfriend he was with when he got killed at his upscale gated house. Now this is Sade at the funeral. I look over my lord and thing. But the streets have it that she allegedly, let me use the word allegedly, that she was a part of the setup of Rebel 6. Now when we hear from the streets, you know, about this, it kinda shocked me because, yo, me a big man and a girl never set me up yet. One time a girl thief a ring from me and her in a hotel. But the ring where she thief a my guard ring. And she thief my guard ring. And you don't want to wear other people guard ring. Cause bad luck will follow you. So that are the only thing. But me never get set up by a woman yet. Woman take money from me before because I saw woman stay. But she set me up for me get killed or hurt. All of the girl them when me deal with I know them love countryman. So I was a little bit taken back when me hear this. So I pose it to one of my friends and he was actually defending her. He said, this is what my friend said. He said that the man them come for Rebel 6 and when the man where them come for him, them go for. And that's why it happened like that. So she is not involved. But then there's another version when we talk to somebody else and them say she was linking with President. She and Rebel couldn't get along. At the night of his murder, she was at the house and her son, cause she have like a 10 or a 12-year-old son, was in the house and the man them walk past her. Now, everybody knows that when a man come through, them now go leave no witness. Especially if you have planned to assassinate a man with 20 rounds. You understand? How are you going to leave a witness? So the fact that she was left untouched, unscathed in such an evil act, people have been preying her. My wonderful people, when you hear me talk about, listen, I peer gunman through the man them sing, and me no see no man a sing about woman, and me I wonder if the man them a bulla man to blow out. But that youth ya, squid, him a mash up the place out there. and I want to listen to music. And my artist this, me like him, you understand? And yo, the man a gal is, yo, sing the Trinidad gal anthem to the people them. Let's go.
One step to the left, now bounce, bounce. One step to the right, now bounce, bounce. One step to the front, and where you bounce, bounce. Every gal where you bend, and when you bend, where you slap it, If you was I go wanna crack it. Get a pussy good, I take a jacket, yeah, skill, yeah, you man, but you fucking love rocket. Back shot, gal, I wanna fuck you like a rabbit. I ain't getting no hickey on your neck, I wanna grab it. I know you like gun, man, I know you white rapid. Whole thing disappear in your mouth like magic. One step to the left, now bounce, bounce. One step to the right, now bounce, bounce. One step to the front, and where you bounce, bounce. Every gal where you freeze. You know I love it when you drop flat on your knees. Suck off my wood, make me talk Japanese. Ching chong, ho, ho. Squeeze, you breast them till you start to ball out, please. Stop. When I tell you go down on your knees, suck. Fuck so good you make your knees bump. She said boy you're too rude, you need Jesus, you need Jesus. Bounce, bounce. One step to the left, now bounce, bounce. One step to the right, now bounce, bounce. One step to the front, and where you bounce, bounce. Every gal where you bend, bite your lips, look back. Oh my God, yes, get a pussy fat. WAP, gal, you know you had the wap freaky thing tree. Some gal, I know you like that. And you like racket, yeah, you like racket. And you like racket, you like racket, you like racket.
No, I wasn't there, but just from piecing together certain information and certain things when me I get, to be fair to her, Rebel did post something about Prezi. You understand? Because I guess him never want got a peace meeting. Him never want join up certain things, whatever. So he was rebelling against the system that the man them set up. Him and Swanee fall out. Him and President fall out, it look like. It seems at the time you have the Muslim and the Rasta and the rest of man, the six them, and then everybody kinda split up and no fraction a go on, and Rebel jump ship and say yo him not very tay, and it look like the man them never like it. Now when him post the thing about Prezi, I go for say Frezi Prezi frazzle out. When him post the thing about Prezi, people tell him to take it down. But Rebel was a youth where he was a rebel. He no want to listen. And you know, once him do that now the man them start praying. But like I said, the most surprising thing to me with this is when me start hear about Sade Samuel. And me I say wait, in girl did dead. Now the grapevine them a talk say she and Rebel used to war like dog. And she not have no youth fame and them couldn't get along. She's also a bigger woman fame. And every man where she fuck with, them dead, including Rebel. Them label her in a Trinidad as a black widow. Let me repeat it again. Every man where she fuck with, them dead, including her picnic father. And like me say, them label her as the black widow. Now, like me say, people say she and President did a link. My thing is, you see when a murder happen, it's somebody you know or you familiar with usually do it. If them not do it, them send somebody to do it or them set you up. You see what I'm saying? So 95% of murder. Watch the first 48. Listen, the way all the police them investigate crime in our Trinidad and Jamaica, that's not the way crime is investigated. You understand? Now, the first thing, she should have been at the police station, them get her phone, talk to her, talk to the little boy, and more likely, she would be the main witness. The last person you with, the last phone call you make. You understand? That's how you solve crime. Trace your last 24 hours. Even Waka done. If them trace him last 24 hours, them can pinpoint something or get some kind of clue or evidence. You understand? So, the fact that she was the last person with him and she wasn't interrogated or nothing like that, that means it looked kind of suspicious. Me personally, me nah go pick no side with this. All me I do, me just bring the information as I am getting it. You see what I'm saying? So all me I say, me just go by our investigation is investigated and go by the proven theory and proven workable way of doing an investigation. And just being, I'm not biased. I don't know this young lady. I don't know Rebel 6. I don't know Prezi. I don't know anybody. You understand? But from looking on the outside in and with this new information I get, I would say, yo, she is the number one suspect. People can talk about Prince Swanee, this, that, Ray. Listen, in their yard, Rebel was at home, playing games, talking to other people, family members on the phone, friends, and armed gunmen was able to come up in a gated community, a residential neighborhood where he lives. He was playing game and them shoot him, give him 20 bullets. And his girlfriend, Sade Samuels, I am gonna call her Trinidad or Trinibad Black Widow, was in the house with her child and nothing happened to her or our child. She is one of the luckiest person I know on this planet, or she's a part of it, and that's the way I am going to leave it. It's either she's lucky or she's a part of it. Before I go, I got more videos coming up on the boy Sunday. You have another boy where spar with Prezi, where me have something on him, and I got some information on Wako Dan, who kill him, and some other information or Tappy Boss them and certain man mix up in a certain thing. So listen, me know enough people now go like what countryman have to say, but listen, I am not supporting any gangs. I am not supporting any dirty politician. I am not supporting any fucking dirty police. I am not supporting any bad-minded people. And I am here to bring good music to Trinidad dancehall. And that's all the way I feel. You understand? Like I said, I came into the Trinidad scene by fluke from doing certain videos, and then I realized, yo, the man them have a vibrant dancehall scene, and then the man them not stop dead. I did a video on Rebel. I did a video upon all of them, and it just bothered me So that's why I am over here in the Trini scene, in the Trinidad dancehall scene. You understand? So I am not making no money off this. I could be doing other things with my time. You understand? But I am doing this to make a change. And like me say, with Rebel 6, I did a video on it before, and I was talking about enough people I say Prince Swanee. But if you guys go back and check on this channel, I said I don't think Swanee have anything to do with it. For some reason. Because listen, I said I was gonna go, but let me say this. You know, a woman kill her man or kill them man for money because them have problems. You understand? Because enough issues. So my thing is, if the police was investigating this Rebel 6 thing properly, she would be the first person them draw up. Because, yo, listen, I heard they had mad problems. She was older than him. Rebel was a rebel. You understand? He was somebody who speak his mind. Rebel family is connected. So when I say connected, I mean he's used to money. It's not like Rebel was some little dirty corner boy. You understand what I'm saying? So my thing, she would be my first suspect. And believe me, that's the way I'm gonna leave it. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I am out, yo. Peace.